Here's what you should know before buying a keyboard.
So there are two main types of keyboards people use for gaming: mechanical keyboards and membrane keyboards. The difference is mechanical keyboards are known for their tactile feedback and durability, and they use individual mechanical switches for each key, while membrane keyboards use a pressure pad system and are generally quieter and less expensive than mechanical keyboards.
Now I'm going to give you guys a sound test between mechanical keyboards and membrane keyboards. Make sure to like and follow for more tips like this.